Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
Now, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this.
They keep on telling us we the next generation, we gotta do good, but we watch y'all and y'all not doing nothing with yourselves. So if you want us to be good, y'all need to set an example for us.
On Detroit.
Yes, I. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I first. And all things that's good. See? I want to welcome all viewers and subscribers. See? Particularly my brothers and sisters in Africa at this point here. Because we don't love what go on in the ear, you know. You see, someone want to tell my brothers and sisters them say beware. You see, don't bite into the scary narrative. You see, because from day one you're targeted. You see, from day one, you are the concern of people. You see, we see that. And the concern with them have is not forthcoming. None of the result them not forthcoming. You see. You have to know, say, you are the breadbasket of the world, whether they want to believe it or not. And it strongly look like the item not believe it, Rasta. You see, up here so idea, and I look and I tell the item, say, and the item run things, particularly, except for the fact that the item not organize the thing. You see, but it's from the item resource and the item foundation why all of this possible. You see, why car possible, why mobile phone possible, why jewelry possible, why even eyeglass possible. You see, the basis of today's civilization was founded on the foundation of, or is built on the foundation of African civilization. You see, religion and all of its strategies and process was designed from way back in them times. You see the only difference is now that over time when Judaism goes up and transformed or evolved into Christianity. See, there was a struggle, still is a struggle between the Judean and the Christian. See, with the evolution process. Man want to say want to stick with the whole time thing, and a man want to say want to come turn Christian and follow Christ now. You see, the Romans coming at the thing now and them water it down to the point we started name politics now. You see it, and it involve and accept all of the debauchery them and things that was condemned by Christianity. You see, worse Judaism. You see, enough of them things never exist, and politics come evolve the name, because politics is, the definition of politics is the science by which a people is governed. You see, now when I observe religion and politics, I say both of them is one and the same. You see, only thing say the strategy and the tactics of government have evolved over time. See, so certain policies and certain instructions, certain methods of Christianity, has evolved, has become obsolete, and, may I say, considered unfunctionable and, irrational and all them type of things, which we not say wrong or right. Seeing we just explain how things change and how things become the way it is today. See, but most of all, more than anything else, it's a strategy for rule and control way. See, so the excessive fanatic seriousness or places behind them thing, following the rules and regulation of them thing, it only a benefit the agenda where we bring it to I and I, certain way. You know, see, right, you know, we can start our own, we started already as a matter of fact. It named Rastafari, but we could use Rastafari then and explain what we are trying to say. You know, see, every governmental process and plan where you see them have you know, dictate to people these days. Rastafari have not so much of a counter, but I mean a substitute for the same. Every you know what I say, it's just government. You know, see, I just keep people calm and give them hopes and chance at development and things like that. That's what the system of politics and religion is all about, my family. You know, see, so don't make you get stray or distracted or get too delusional and think so this thing is any form of a magic game where sky I go bust and, you know, brimstone I go drop a earth and mash up, destroy this big, beautiful creation here where are we, in any case, are the only problem upon it. And then when you observe the problem where we is to it now, is we are the problem to ourselves. You know, see, really and truly. Yeah, we offend everything else, including the earth itself, because some things we man do with Mama Earth, wonder where man a dream about, where white man a dream about. You know, see it, but in so doing, we still, you know, we still there. You know, see, and we know say, the Almighty can't just, according to how we perceive the Almighty to be, the Almighty can't just drop one disease or one virus and get rid of the species of man off the planet, and everything else were relevant or everything else were, you know, favorably in the sight of the Almighty remain. You know, see it. We know that possible. So with this argument of sky go bust, and it's just a fear factor to control the people so that you keep the people doing your bidding. Because of that supreme force that is gonna be a day of reckoning and things like that if you don't manifest these tasks where the politicians or the pastor, the leaders of the Christian sect set for mankind complete so that they themselves can, you know, observe a level of calm within the society where they perpetuate these leadership tactics or rulership tactics, my brothers and sisters. You know, see, the detriments and the consequence behind all of this thing is a controlling factor, Rasta. I mean, a man telling us stupidness, you know, see, as just prison, they for hinder certain things. Nothing after that. You know, see it, warm to the guy them we are perpetrate for them wickedness and for them nastiness. How comes them a do it without any form of inhibition or consideration for such consequence? You know, see it. The consequence is us. You know, see it. Consequences our brother next door. Consequences with neighbor. You know, see it. You know, see it. Meaning I will watch one another struggle every day and we feel good about ourselves and things like that. It's a manifestation of God we suppress. You see, these are the practices of politics these days where we deprive man of any true connection with nature. You see, so you have to keep man control, man headspace, man frame, mind frame, man energy, man spirituality contained, so as to enable the agenda, the status quo, which is abject slavery. You know, see it. You know, see it. Even though them designed to make it look like says a white man with a whip stand up over a black man is the definition of slavery these days. See it? Everybody is a slave. Most of we are slaves on the planet today. You know, see it. And we're blind to it. Due to the tasks and the demands where Babylon set up on us, we distracted each day. We forgot liberty. We abandon our own personal liberty and rights to think as a human being and things like that, particularly in the West here. So as the argument target and aim at my African brothers and sisters, them Rasta, it is indicative, it's very dependent on the item. See? You see, changing the status quo. Nobody has got a greater opportunity and more resource to do so than the item. You see, because if the item say nothing can move until different agreement, more humane agreement come about, whereby Africa can see the progress of its resource, the benefits of its resource, and progress of development and things like that. You see, we, the rest of us, will always only be poster boys for a Babylon agenda. You see, when you see certain stars and certain rapper and things like that coming at the media and again, interview and them type of thing, that interview is not really to talk about what that guy have or achieved or anything like that. You see, it's like him just dead as a symbol. Them just put him up there as a symbol for struggling black youths, or perceived struggling black youths across the world. See that guy there and think say life in the West is hunky-dory for man and woman. Man and woman in the West are slaves. You see, different politics, different agenda. Africa need different religion then. You see, as me explained it before. You see it? And get our ball a rolling, youth and youth. Different foreign policies, different, everything different. You have the power, you have the resource. A bluff, some guy a bluff. You see it? Even if the bomb and gun them where them have and come with it and fire till it done. Where them all, my brother and sister, same place in Africa, them have to come back for raw material to make more gun and bomb and weapons of mass destruction. You see, them have to come and ask permission for them again. You see that. It just can't go happen. You see. So, a time for we call the world bluff. No, a time for we call the world bluff, Rasta, help alleviate, be our hero, help alleviate the rest of it. You see, I saw the thing set and a straight talk. You see. So we're very dependent on the prospect of African youths resurrect a certain level of self-awareness, Rasta. You see, black preservation, Africa preservation. You see, and know what the items sit down upon. We are depend, we are pray, we are hope every day more and more for the item, latch on and pick up. And this is no joke, Rasta. See, no disrespect. Can't just sit down behind some leaders way. The thing for decade and nothing change. Yeah, it get changed, but for the worse, not for the better. We no leader in a work, so in a leadership. See, you come sell when a samphire and sit down in a luxury and entertain guests and friend and royalty and whatever to your own benefit. And that's how it work. See, so we can't wait for the youth them open up them eye and come to the realization, and know say we are dependent on the item. The past is bygone. Bygones be bygones, Rasta. See. If you look forward, and move. Yeah. And if you not listen to this far, there's a lot of hopes. See, just get a thumbs up. See, Rasta. Just take bright academics, politics, and them thing. The academics are for people where ready for prepare for follow a status quo. See, entertain a agenda. See, which nothing wrong. See, but our agenda, that agenda don't benefit us. See, so take that education for work, make our system work. Not that education can work or make our system work, but we just say it's not an detrimental necessity where just take dream and truth. See, it's just business, like opening any other normal corner shop. Business or government is not that bracket scientist argument where them are going like I make it look like so well then. You see, a lie. You see, so one you them build up them self-esteem and them self-confidence Rasta and you know give a race of people something to be pleased, be proud of. You see, which is the item. Yes, Rasta. You see, so we will leave that one here so we don't hope so it reach the relevant ears them and it have the natural effect with the honesty demand. You see. So we give thanks once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty. Share, like, and subscribe that one here, you know. Mad love and respect for my African brothers and sisters.